For this tutorial, we will be using the Frozen DIY Balloon Box from FettiFest.com, which includes 32 5-inch balloons, 64 12-inch balloons, 6 18-inch balloons, and a variety of snowflake foils. If this is your first balloon garland, we recommend starting with our general tips and tricks video for time-saving tips and installation instructions. Let's start by inflating your balloons. As you inflate the 5-inch and 12-inch balloons, tie into pairs as you go. Since our garland has a blended color scheme, mix and match your colors, but make sure to only tie 5-inch with 5-inch and 12-inch with 12-inch. Once all your balloons are in pairs, take 2 pairs that are the same size and twist them together at the knots to make a cluster of 4, called a quad. Repeat this step until all the 5-inch and 12-inch balloons are in quads. Inflate the 18-inch balloons and tie shut with a string balloon. This will make it easy for us to attach them once our garland is assembled. Now take your 5-inch quads and tie them into pairs using one of the included string balloons. We will add these to our garland once we have it attached to the wall. Inflate the included foils using the handheld pump included in your box. Tape the valve closed with Scotch tape and set aside. Be careful when inserting the pump into the valve so that you do not puncture through the back of the foil. Now let's put it all together. Tie one of the included string balloons to your first 12-inch quad with a simple knot. Place the second quad on top of the first and wrap the string balloon around 2 of the balloons in the second quad in a figure 8. Repeat this step for all the 12-inch quads, tying on additional string balloons when needed. Since all of the quads you made were mixed, the order is not important. Once you've assembled the main part of the garland, this is a great time to attach to the wall. Attach the 18-inch balloons to the garland by wrapping the string balloon around one of the 12-inch balloons in the garland. Now take the sets of 5-inch quads, stretch them apart, and floss them down between the 12-inch balloons. You can twist these around to put them in the perfect position. Lastly, attach the foils using the included glue dots. Press the glue dots onto one of the latex balloons and peel the backing, then press the foil on top for 10 to 15 seconds. We recommend attaching at 2 or more points.